Okay, you can open the server. You can open the server. Sorry, you can open the conference, Pak Reza.
Okay. Good, good afternoon, everyone. For hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon, everyone. First, I want to thank you all for coming here for today's presentation about free web hosting and how to use it. It's my pleasure to welcome you all here. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Emfa Reza Nurlubis as moderator. Then our presenter here named Agustinus Pardamean Lumbang Tobing. Moderator Leonard Daniel Damanik. I shall leave the chair. I shall leave it now to our moderator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Muhammad Fareza. Okay, I hope we all in a good condition today. And before we start, let me introduce a brief introduction of our speaker today. So our speaker today is Mr. Agus Pardamean Lumbang Tobing. He is from SMK Negeri 4 Kota Bogor, and he is currently majoring in software engineering. And for the rest of the session, I will give it to the speaker, Mr. Agus.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Leo, and thank you very much, Mr. Fariza, for open the meeting session. And now we can go to the topic is free web hosting and how to use it. So before we start the topic, I want to say sorry to you. In the project, I will to set two of the web hosting, but in this moment, I just can say just one web hosting because I have trouble with installing tool to using the web hosting. So in this web hosting, sorry. In this moment, I will say to you how to use GitHub page in your GitHub account. So the first, I will to screen sharing. So can host enable screen sharing?
Sure. All right.
Okay, thank you very much. So hello everybody. Now we will to start how to using GitHub page. Sorry. Okay. And this is my GitHub page. And wait, okay. The first, before we start hosting, we must to add a new repository. So where, if you, after you log in, you can go to here and your repository. So after this is your all repository, and this is my all repository. Go to here, new, and give a name for your new repository. So I will give the name is try project hosting. So like this, and give a simple description for this project. Simple des. So just like it, and make sure this public, and install the README MD. And after that, not install, checklist. What is check? Point the README MD and create the project. So after you create the project, you go to setting, and after goes to settings, scroll down to be this is GitHub page. So if you looking like this, you must go to check it out and click this. And after you go to here, you just You just change the none to be your main, and the root stay in root and save. Okay, after it, you open again your repository. So, and clone your repository to your local computer. So after that, okay, guys, you must install Git. The first, you can download the Git in git strip sgm.com. Like this, you can download for your Mac, Windows, or your Linux. After you install, you click here, git bash here, and so you just say git clone and paste the code and enter. Oh, why fatal? So I just exited. Waiting for a minute. Git clone paste. Okay, after you cloning your project, here you can be have a one folder, and after you have this folder, you can coding, nothing coding. Yes, you can open the source in the project. Just say, so I using Sublime. Sorry. We must to change the repository to your project, and I using Sublime, so I just say this. Oh, I not have Sublime. If that's the command is not run, just manual run your project. So after this, open folder, go to desktop, and try project hosting, open this, and select. So if you're not using Sublime Text, you can using Visual Studio Code like this code. And tada, the Git open your Visual Studio Code. So after it, we can make new file, new HTML file. So I just make HTML file like this and just waiting for it. And before, oh, why? This is so very long. And guys, this is the file. This is the HTML file. And here we make what we will be hosting. So I will copy what I want to build from Bootstrap. And this is Bootstrap documentation. But I will to try to copy example project and go to where I want. So just to cover. Okay. After it, we just view the source and copy that. So after it, back and paste. So now he not have CSS because this is rating your local CSS, but we want to be rate the online of GitHub CSS. So CSS. Okay, sorry. Copy this. Check here. Sorry. This is a shortcut. Here. And pass here and them. And for the special CSS is cover CSS. Copy this and give to the cover CSS. So if we are looking in live local server, I'm allow this. This is what we will be make. And I just change the cover page to my name. So like this, Agustinus Pardamian Umban Tobing. So just only like this and save the code, come back, reload. And this is my name. So how to be online this? How to be make this online? we just open the Visual Studio Code terminal and git add for adding your file. So before git add, we can to git status. For looking, this is have a right line because that is a new file, and your git repository or GitHub repository is not have the index.html because that the file have a red line. Okay, red font color. Okay, that's, and for change that we can git add here and git commit -m for give a message, and this is first commit like this, enter, and after that you can say git push. So come back to the git repository. If now we're looking the repository, we just have a readme.md file, but if this down and we reload the page, so now we have index.html. So where we will look the online page. So if you back to GitHub page, this is you can get a link, and here you just click the link, and this is your repository. So that is free web hosting, and why you can be online hosting your website, or maybe I will say status website. So thank you very much for my information and my sharing. So I will give this room again to Leo.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Agus, for the decent presentation. And now, for those who want to who have a question about the presentation, you are really welcome.
Any question, guys?
May I to ask some question?
Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
can you hear me?
I'm hearing you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Mujibur Rahman. So I want to you start with you start strike to technique about GitHub. You do not start with explanation. Usually we use PowerPoint, right? Ini hanya masukan apa ya bahasa Inggrisnya?
Pakai bahasa Indonesia.
Jadi yang Agus lakukan itu langsung ke penjelasan. Biasanya kita kan ini kan pengenalan dulu apa itu yang akan kita bahas. What we will explain. Tapi yang Agus lakukan langsung ke teknik. Gitu. Tapi itu bagus. Nah, yang Agus lakukan sudah memakai bahasa Inggris. Nah, yang jadi pertanyaan itu, is there any alternative for GitHub? Misalnya kita tidak ingin pakai GitHub, ada nggak yang lain?
Okay, thank you very much for your question, Mr. Mujib Rahman. The first, I want to say again, sorry, because day is not so very good to me. The PowerPoint is broken. If I open the PowerPoint in this computer, the text is not can be show. That is just only strip doang gitu, sir. Jadi cuman ada strip doang, nggak ada tulisan yang udah aku bikin tadi malam gitu. Nah, and more. Jadi sebenarnya ada lagi yang namanya itu Firebase. Ada lagi Firebase. Yang aku membahas di topik kali ini sebenarnya ada dua, yaitu GitHub Page dan juga Firebase. Cuman kenapa aku ngebahas Firebase? Karena tadi udah aku install npm di CMD komputer ini, tapi npm-nya itu nggak bisa dicek. Nah, karena npm-nya itu nggak bisa dijalanin di CMD-nya, jadi aku nggak bisa install Firebase tool, dan aku nggak bisa praktekin tentang gimana caranya bisa ngedeploy ke Firebase website yang akan dibuat. And we have again aku udah bilang Heroku kan? And tadi ada Firebase, Heroku, dan juga ada Zero Web House, and Infinix. that is alternative for online your website. So that is my answer, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much, Agus, for the answer. For Pak Mujib, is it already answered?
Okay, clear enough. Okay.
Okay, thank you very
so
much.
Is there any question from other participants?
Maybe not.
Okay. If there is no more questions, then I will end this meeting today. Thank you very much for your participation. For the rest of the session, I will give it to the host, Fahreza.
Okay. Thank you for the presentation for Agustinus. I will link the form here. The form.
Sending your form.
Yes. Wait. I'm gonna send form here. All right. I already send the form. You can give some your suggestion about anything in the form. But anyway, thank you for your participant that come here. I hope this will give us all more knowledge about coding. I hope you all have good luck and nice day. And again, I said thanks for coming in.